Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, evening, whatever time it may be for you. My name is Thomas, the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor, otherwise known or referred to as EOE. I'm headed to the storage to get. I'm headed to get the U-Haul first, and then I'm headed to the storage to load up. We prepped like a week and a half in advance, and then I did a bunch of prep work last night. I was gonna go live last night, but I wasn't feeling it, y'all. I struggled with that doggone hot air balloon. So I just did it the way I know how, or the way I'm familiar with, which is to cluster up some 9-inch balloons. I think I sized them to 10 inch. So they were 12-inch balloons, I sized them to 10 inches. And then I used a couple of 5 inches to fill in the blanks, and it still tells a story. It's not what I wanted it to be, but I'm gonna have to get a little bit more sharp in how to make them, because if I get a hot air balloon thing, baby shower, I'm up the creek and I'm gonna stress about it. So, nonetheless, as you can already tell by the thumbnail of this video, we are setting up for a baby shower. It's for 50 guests, and it is about an hour away from me. And the theme of it is other places we'll go. And I done talked this thing to death because I did 2 different unboxing videos. I did one where I had some stuff from a previous event, and then I went live and I showed you all of the stuff that I had gotten. I really overspent for this event, and I think that's probably the reason why I don't prep so far in advance, because if I do, let's say I have give myself a 3-week window and I prep and get everything straight, within that 3 weeks, I'm still thinking of ideas that I can do, and I be trying to execute on them. And there's some stuff that I showed y'all that I'm not doing, and then there's some stuff that I showed y'all that I am doing. So you just got to stick around and see. Other than that, nothing really else to, I guess, discuss. I have another video that's coming, some more unboxing videos and whatnot. And then I'm thinking about doing a couple of tutorial videos or some DIY videos. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see in the comments, if we can, I guess, try. So that's all I have. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload these videos. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video.